proclaim the month of July as Tibetan Heritage Month.
Kasa chilo nido nishu chindu kube tse nishu shila Canada gyasa Ottawa yose ngadi chete Ontario tozo su timso jigla tozo yongi jimyo ki tembe nangbani pyo ki lana mebe uti jinong konsikyam kunchenpu choo ki tongla yasu ki dawa chinda dunba yongzo Ontario ru pyumi rishun pekyo dawa suyo nansong. Tenya, Nimbo saya jonga zam chebe Canada ngadi chenpo Ontario tongge Toronto tongde Parkdale ne ngadi tozo su tozo tumi pyuri kapuche puti choki loda chinda dunba ngadi teru pyumi tang pyumi rishun pekyo dawa suyo timja te tozo su tangbatang. Kasa Ontario tozo yongi jimyo ki gyabyo nangdi chinda dunba yongzo pyobe rishun ki dawar tembe nasong.
On behalf of the Tibetan people around the world, including those in Tibet, I want to say to the people of Ontario, thank you.
Pedarne Canada lebe pyumi namgi Canada gegabla sishu burdu döngü tang lakbardo pyoge korla kodo dan pyodun begür mikushik rido.